Many of us know that in difficult situations, animals show incredible courage and come to people's aid. Watch this video and we're sure you'll be amazed. Cats and dogs are eternal enemies, but these two cats decided to help a disabled dog, risking their own lives and supporting the dog from both sides. They walked the dog, whose rear legs stopped working, across the road. The reaction speed of this Doberman is impressive. It only took the dog a second to deal with the snake. A coyote wandered into the city streets and attacked a teenage girl walking her dog. While the girl tried to escape, the dog bravely defended its owner from the predator. This girl had a seizure while walking her dog, and this huge hound named Clover stopped a truck to help his owner. People usually stay away from stray dogs, but it turns out they can be loyal protectors. A robber attacked a young woman in the middle of the street. A stray protected the girl by chasing the thief away. It's not just dogs that can assist disabled people. For example, this horse can help a person get up if they fell, and can even collect some firewood. This dog is trying to save a fish. Many people could learn to be as compassionate as this dog. During an earthquake, this dog escorted people out of the unstable building and then returned to get other pets. A loyal Rottweiler decided that its owner was drowning and quickly found and rescued the human. It's a good thing that this man took a dog with him to work. The burglar clearly did not expect such resistance. The owner even had to hold back the dog so that it wouldn't tear into the thief. Check out the way this dog called Magnus helps his disabled owner. The man fully relies on the dog when outside. Due to the nature of his disability, Magnus's owner can't even operate his wheelchair. His loving and loyal dog performs the function of an engine for the wheelchair. No one trained him to do that. He's just more compassionate and humane than some humans.
Goat in the water.
You probably didn't know that pigs are great swimmers. Take a look. In this petting zoo, a pig rescued a baby goat whose leg got stuck underwater. The pig immediately came to the goat's rescue. We are used to dogs rescuing people, but sometimes dogs rescue other dogs. Two animals found themselves in a drifting canoe, and the third one came to their aid. It's amazing that the dog in the canoe managed to pass the rope to the dog in the water. This golden retriever saved two goldfish that ended up on the floor. Very carefully, the dog carried the fish into its water bowl. We wonder how the dog knew what to do. Tell us your theory in the comments. Cats can also rescue other cats. 4 large dogs attacked a kitten, but the adult cat quickly showed them who's in charge. These 2 dogs organized an entire mission to rescue the fish that was stuck in the shallow water. Look how determinedly they dug a channel for this fish to swim away.
Всё, ты его отпустил! Молодец!
A man in a wheelchair was trying to cross a flooded road but refused help because his loyal friend was pushing the wheelchair from behind. This dog bravely threw itself into the water to rescue a drowning person. Now this guy owes the dog his life. A baby elephant fell into the pool in the zoo. Its parents immediately came to its rescue. They went into the water and supported the calf as they walked towards the dry land. In search of food, this bear wandered into a yard of private property. The dog noticed an uninvited guest and chased the hooligan away. Take a look at the way this hero saves a puppy that fell into a pool. You should never be nasty to babies. 3 stray dogs forgot this rule and attacked a kitten, but an adult cat interjected just in time. We all know that bulldogs are strong dogs with a muscular build. But not all bulldogs are the same. These little French bulldogs are so adorable. This small dog managed to chase away 2 bears and protect their owners from these uninvited guests. And with a dog like this, kids can safely use the pool. This dog will immediately rescue a drowning person.
He's like, come on, Mama, let's go. Aww.
Sometimes cats treat people like their kittens. Some will even attempt to rescue a person. Why are these humans voluntarily getting into water? They need help immediately, Daphne the cat must have thought, trying to drag her owner out of the bath. After the winter hibernation, bears are very hungry. In search of food, they often end up approaching people's homes. And hungry bears are very dangerous. Look at this dog chasing away an overly cheeky bear. An aggressive goose attacked a person, but the dog could carefully drag the bird away without any injuries. Things could have ended up much worse. But thankfully, it ended well. A dog saw a drowning person in the river. Pay attention to its further actions. The man was already disappearing underwater, but the dog got to him just in time. Say you got a large dog and you thought it would protect you from everything. Think again. Here are the real protectors. Didn't expect that, did you? Take a look. This man is enjoying hanging out with lions, but the tiger was the only one to notice the looming danger. Not only notice, but prevent a tragedy. A burglar broke into a house and attacked a defenseless owner, but he clearly didn't expect such resistance. Just look at this. With security like this, you can use an ATM even in the most dangerous neighborhood.